When the tub meets the wall and tile at a corner, the neatest and most durable seal comes from a careful three-step approach that prioritizes adhesion, profile, and tooling. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and drying the joint and surrounding surfaces, removing any old sealant, soap scum, or mold with an appropriate cleaner and allowing full evaporation. Choose a high-quality silicone or hybrid sealant formulated for wet areas and one that bonds to both porcelain or enamel and ceramic or stone tile. Cut the cartridge tip to match the joint width and apply steady pressure for a continuous bead. Because corners are the toughest area to seal, lay a single bead slightly proud of the joint and then tool it immediately while the sealant is still wet. Use a caulk tool set to the desired radius or a dry finger wrapped in a smooth plastic film to avoid sticking and to create a concave profile that sheds water. For inside corners that change plane, smooth first along the tub face one way and then along the wall the other way so the sealant seats into the corner from both planes. If the joint is irregular or wider than 1/4 inch, make 2 passes. First fill most of the gap and allow a short skin time. Then finish with a second bead and tool for a uniform surface. Always remove any masking tape by pulling it back toward the joint and not away from it, and allow the full cure time recommended by the sealant manufacturer before exposing the area to water. 3 common problems are uneven tooling, trapping air in voids, and premature wetting that prevents full cure. Uneven tooling shows as ridges or gaps. Correct that by keeping a steady speed with your tool or finger and using a consistent tool radius for the entire run. Trapped air and voids are often caused by stopping mid-run. Avoid starting and stopping in the corner if possible and fill the joint in smooth, continuous strokes so the sealant flows into the corner. Premature wetting causes soft or tacky sealant. Follow the stated cure time, which can be as long as 24 hours or more, and leave the shower off until the return to full hardness and adhesion. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and let our members share real project experiences and tips in our discussion community. We help contractors find projects and homeowners find options, and we encourage the back and forth that helps everyone get a cleaner, longer-lasting corner seal.